For any kind of project, either smaller or larger, there is a need to sort out a timeline for the project. If a timeline is not set for any project, it might be difficult for a team to accomplish all the tasks within the given time and estimate the budget. It provides the overall view of the project from the start till its endpoint. If you are looking forward to how to create a project timeline template Excel for a project and all the other related information, then you are on the right platform. What is project timeline? The project timeline is actually the canvas of deliverables. It provides information about all the activities taking place throughout the project lifecycle from the starting date to the finishing date. It allows the project manager to have a view of all the activities in one place. How to create a project timeline template. No project is considered complete without a project timeline. As it provides the overall view of the project, the work gets completed very efficiently among all the team members. It is really overwhelming to divide your tasks into subtasks with their assigned due dates. This will make your work more manageable. Whether you are going to create a project timeline for the first time or you have experienced it already, these important key points will make it as effective as always. Write a project scope statement. A project scope statement should be created before you create a project timeline. The project scope statement is actually the outline or list of deliverables you want to achieve as an end product. It is a very necessary step as it provides the basis for the timeline of the project.